Good morning, students. This video is for class 4 maths, and today we will start a new exercise, that is exercise 6.3 from your division chapter. Now in this they have given you to find out the missing digits. It is same, you will do simple division and you will start finding the missing digit that they have given. Let us do question number 1A. 56 1 and dash 718 dash 6 minus 1 dash 8 dash 2, and you get dash and 6 as your remainder. So this is the question that they have given you. Now remember, either you do a single digit division or a double digit division. The main thing that you have to know is to know the table of the divisor. Whatever divisor they give you, you have to know the table of that. So you have to know the table very carefully. You have to know the table very carefully. 56, if you don't know, just write the table. How will you write? 56 plus 56, you will get 2 here, 11, plus 56, 8, 6, 1, plus 56, 4, 2, 2. So this is 1, 2 zar, 3 zar, 4 zar. Like this you can write the table also if you don't know the table. Now 71. First you have to take first digit 7. 7 is not divisible, so you can take the other digit. So 56 ones are 56. Here you will write 11 minus 5 is 5. 11 minus 6 is 5, and this becomes 6. So 158. Now you see you got here how much? 158. 158 is more less than 168. So you will take 2 times. Here 2 and here 11, because 56 2s are 111. Now you subtract 6 and here it becomes 4. So you simply got the answer. So I hope you have understood this missing number division. Next, question number 2. In question number 2 they have said find the quotient and the remainder of the division sum. It's very simple. You will do division as you have been doing. So find the quotient. Let us do one question. 2A. 385 divided by 16. 385 divided by 16. So you will divide 385. 16 on the 16. 16 2s are 32. 6 comes down after subtracting. 8 minus 2 is 6 and 5 comes down. 16 on the 16. 16 2s are 32. 16 3s are 48. 16 4s are 64. 16 4s are 64. Now you minus and 1 is your remainder. So this is your quotient and this one is your remainder. Now children, remember, as in multiplication I have told you, most important thing is the table. If you don't know the table, that means you will not be able to divide. So you have to divide. So to do correct form of division and multiplication, you have to know the table. So till now, if you don't know the table, please start learning the table. Otherwise, you won't be able to do this division or multiplication. Question number 3 is also same, where you have to divide 4-digit number with 2-digit number, double digit. So let me show you one from question number 3. Question number 3F. That is a long question. So 3426 divided by 54. Let us divide 54. 3, 4, 2, 6. 3 is not divisible, so 34 is also not divisible, so take 3 digit. So 54 into 6. 6 4s are 24, 2 in hand. 6 5s are 30 plus 2, 32. Now you subtract 8 and 1 and this becomes 8. So 50 on the 50 on the 50, 52 the 100, 53 is are 50, 3 4s are 12, 1 in hand. 3 5s are 15 plus 1, 16. Now subtract here 4 and here 2. So this is your quotient and this is your remainder. I hope you have understood this. Okay. Now let us move on to the next question where they have said divide and check. It is very simple. I have already shown you this was also there in the first exercise. So let us do one sum. Suppose 4 number D. In question number D, 8009 divided by 45. So let us divide 45, 8009. 45 into 1, 45 ones are 45. Here 5 and here 3. 0 comes down. 45 ones are 45, 45 twos are 90, 45 threes are 135, 45 fours are 180, 45 fives are 225, 45 sixes are 45 sevens are 7 fives are 35, 3 in hand, 7 fours are 28 plus 3 31, 5 and here becomes 3. So again 9 comes down. So 45 sevens are 315. Now you get 4 here, you also 4 in. So after this division, they have asked you to check. So let us check. We know you write a check and multiply the quotient with the divisor. So 177 into 45. 5 sevens are 35, 3 in hand. 5 sevens are 35 plus 3, 38, 3 in hand. 5 ones are 5. Cross. 4 sevens are 28, 2 in hand. 4 sevens are 28 plus 2, 30, 3 in hand. 4 ones are 4 plus 1, 7. 5, 6, 9, 7. Now you see, you still did not get the dividend. So you add here 7, 9, 6, 5. Add this one, 44 remainder. So here 0, here 5 plus 4, 9, 6 plus 4, 10, 0, 1 in hand, 1 plus 9, 0, 1 in hand, 1 plus 8. Now you see, you got the same dividend. That means your answer is correct. So I hope all of you have understood. Next they have given you divide by short division. Divide by short division. Let us divide this. Okay. Divide by short division 5a. 3 and here they have given 67. It is same thing. You either write the quotient here or you write the quotient here or you write the quotient here. It is the same thing. So let us divide. 3 2s are 6. How much in hand? They have given you 67. So 3 2s are 6 and this will be 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6. How much in hand? 1 in hand. So your quotient will be 22 and remainder will be 1. I hope you have understood. If there is any remainder and if there is no remainder, no problem. So please do the sum carefully, and if you don't understand, if you face any problem, please let me know in the online classes. So for today up to this much children. Thank you so much.